Hey, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to add the author tag in HTML on your hand-coded site or your WordPress site. Stay tuned. So the author tag, or the rel attribute, is useful for identifying the author. It's used for telling the Googlebot exactly who the author is, so that they can add some trust, some authority to your article and help identify and build authority for your own author name. So in this case, all you have to do is add a little rel tag to your regular link tag in HTML. And this is what it looks like. So let's dive in to a website and let's take a look at what that's going to look like on WordPress or on your hand-coded site. So here I have a sample page pulled up, and we can pretend that this is an article. Now at the very bottom I have written by author, and that's my little author snippet there. So all I have to do is edit this as HTML, and let's just add our link tag here. So a space href equals quote, and then a link to the author's website. So we'll just say facebook.com/user, and then a space, and rel equals quote author, end quote, close the opening a tag, and then close the a tag after the anchor text. Just like that. I'm going to hit update, and I'm going to view this page from the front end. So this is what it looks like. We have the link on the author section here. I'm going to right click that and inspect it, and you can see that the rel tag was added. So now when Googlebot or Bingbot crawls this web page, they're going to see that this is the author, and and the link on this is meant for the author's bio page or the author's website. So this is useful for guest posting. It's useful for building authority on your web pages. I highly recommend you use this tag if you actually want to get good results in SEO. Definitely have an author tag on your author bio. So anyways, I hope you found something valuable in this video. Please like, share, and subscribe if you want to see more videos. Have a great day.